Hello, everybody. It's Friday, and to celebrate Super Science Friday, I wanted to bring this really cool article to us, and also just to show you how humans can be pretty awesome. So let's start by orienting ourselves to the text. We're going to read the title, Golf Ball Cleanup. We're going to read the little blurb, how a California teen led a team to remove golf balls from the Pacific Ocean. So already we're getting a glimpse of what this story will be about. They're cleaning the ocean. Okay, let's look at these pictures over here. All right, I see two people diving underwater, and this seems to be golf balls here. Let's read the caption. Alex Weaver and a team of volunteers dove underwater to collect the balls. Alex and her friend Jack Johnston used kayaks to tote the balls to shore. Golf ball breakdown. Okay, and we see stage 1 of a golf ball breaking down, stage 2 and stage 3. And then over here we have another picture, and it says marine animals like seals can mistake golf balls for food. So let's go ahead and read the subheadings now, these sections. Pieces of plastic, spreading the word, and I see a word here, microplastics, and it seems like they're going to be teaching me about what a microplastic is, but they will also be telling me a story about these teenagers that clean up the ocean. So that brings us to a really cool genre that we call hybrid. This is a hybrid text. There will be some parts that would sound narrative, so they're going to be telling us a story. And some parts that would be expository. So it will be teaching us. As we read today, we're going to look out for the narrative parts and the expository parts and see what the text could be teaching us. So let's go back to the text. There we go. Golf ball cleanup. How a California teen led a team to remove golf balls from the Pacific Ocean. 4 years ago, Alex Weaver was diving with her father in the waters of Pebble Beach, California. Suddenly, she spotted something strange. Thousands of golf balls. The hard plastic spheres cluttered the ocean floor. So I'm envisioning right now how she's going underwater, and then all she sees is these golf balls. Alex, who was 16 at the time, was alarmed by the trash. So she, her father, and some friends began collecting the balls. Each time they dove, the group removed at least 500 of them. But when they returned, the sea floor would be blanketed with golf balls again. They didn't stop coming, says Alex. That's because golf courses line that area of California's coast. The golfers playing there had been hitting the balls into the ocean every day for decades. Alex wondered, why wasn't someone fixing the problem? Then she realized that she could be that someone. So I'm noticing how the author sets up the stage to tell us the problem that's been happening so far. All these golf balls seem coming to the ocean floor, and now it says that she's going to be the one to fix the problem. Pieces of plastic. Oh, by the way, so far the text has been told through a narrative lens because we're getting the story of how this is happening. So let's continue reading. Pieces of plastic. Once Alex knew the source of the golf balls, she thought fixing the problem would be easy. She visited local golf courses and told the owners where their balls were ending up, but the businesses didn't seem concerned. So Alex emailed Matthew Savaca. He's a biologist at Stanford University who studies how plastic pollution affects ocean life. So I wonder why the author decided to include Matthew Savaca. If you said because he's an expert, then you're right. Savaca had never heard of the problem of golf ball pollution, but when he saw Alex's massive golf ball collection, he decided to join her cleanup effort. The outside of a golf ball is made of hard plastic. See golf ball breakdown below. So it's asking us to go down here. Let's go. Golf ball breakdown. Over time, the ocean waves and current wear down golf balls. As these golf balls degrade, they release bits of plastic into the water. Here's how part of the process can occur. Stage 1. The plastic exterior of a new golf ball is shiny and dimpled. Stage 2. First, the glossy plastic surface wears away. Some dimples remain. Stage 3. Over time, the hard plastic chips off to reveal a rubber core. Okay, so I see how the ball is breaking, the exterior or the outside part of the golf ball seems to be breaking down over the stages. Let's go back up. In the ocean, it wears down, shedding tiny plastic bits called microplastics. Marine animals mistake the particles for food and eat them, says Savoca. That can harm or kill the animals. Savoca estimated that the balls they collected over 2 years had released more than 27 kilograms, 60 pounds of microplastics into the ocean. The cores of some balls also contain chemicals that can be toxic to marine life. So I noticed that this part went from telling us the story about these children, these teenagers who were cleaning the ocean, to teaching us about microplastics. So this section definitely has an expository lens, spreading the word. As Alex's team collected the balls, Alex carefully documented the work. Gathering evidence would help them write a research paper about the project. Savoca explained. The paper might convince people to care enough about the problems to help fix it. In total, Alex and her crew collected more than 50,000 golf balls. Alex worked together with her father and Savoca to write a research paper about the project. In January of 2018, it was published in Marine Pollution Bulletin, a major scientific journal. The paper suggested some solutions for the problem. For instance, golf courses could use signs warning golfers to hit balls away from the shore. They could educate golfers about the golf ball pollution. Golf courses could also work to retrieve the balls from the water. Alex presented her findings to the local golf courses. This time, the owners paid attention. Now they're cleaning up their act. It's amazing what a determined kid can do. Great. So we just read Golf Ball Cleanup. I invite you guys to go ahead and read it again so that you can understand it and make sure that you jot the main idea. That will be part of your exit ticket for today. Good job, guys. See you soon.